So hello, welcome back. So for this video here, we're talking about how to set up, basically how do we put i3 and other software on top of the Raspberry Pi OS, right? So in case you guys don't know what I guess i3 is, so normally, right, we would have the Raspberry Pi OS with a desktop environment. This is normally, I think it's XFCE. It's lightweight, it's good to go, but I want to go even deeper. So a lighter version of the desktop environment is going to be a window manager, which is pretty big if you want to really customize your Linux operating system. It's basically as lightweight as it gets. I mean, you could probably just go with CLI terminal if you want to, but yeah. Alright, so today we're going to install i3 on it. So I have my own Raspberry Pi I've been running right here. It runs with a new Pi 02, right? Yeah, so I have a Raspberry Pi 02 in here with a little display, and if you guys know about it, you know that it's a powerful machine compared to the last Pi 0, but it's not a whole lot better. That is why I want it to run as simply as possible. So my goal is to have a window manager so I can open as many terminals as I want, because I want to use Linux, but you know, the screen is pretty small. It's a 7-inch screen, so if you split it into two parts, there's not much left to do. I want to run like 5 different terminals at the same time. So let's try this out. So that's the one. Login. Right. So on my last video, I was talking about how to install OpenBox, which is one of the best options for window managers on any Linux machine. So it's OpenBox window manager. This is the one. It's light, it's nice, it's going well. I always want to try the i3 window manager, right? It's a tiling window manager, which means it will automatically split your screen into different parts when a new tab is opened. That's what's great about it. Alright, so the first part is, well, get our Raspberry Pi up and running. First we're going to do sudo raspi. So if you, in case you guys have not set up Wi-Fi, you can always sudo raspi config, go to system option and wireless LAN. I did that already, so I mean that's why I could SSH into it. So first thing is to sudo app update, yes, and sudo upgrade. This is gonna take a while because this is a Pi 0 running on a micro SD card. So I'm gonna pause it right here and get back to you when it's done. Okay, so the update is done, and I was looking around for some tutorials on how to do it. I actually found Nova Spirit Tech video on how to install i3. Well, technically it's i3 Gaps, which is a fork of i3 window manager. But yeah, that'd be nice. You know what, I just realized my mic is so far away. Alright, it's back. So let's just follow along with the GitHub repo. How to install it. Let's copy that. And we can paste it in here. Oh, never mind, still going. Alright, so finally that was done. The update was done, so all I have to do is now is to copy the command from GitHub. That's what we have. Enter. So I think we have to add a new repository onto here. We'll see if it works. That's good. That's a sudo app update working in place right now. Couldn't find i3 gaps. Let's see. How about just i3? Oh, it's here. It's not that bad, really. I think we need to install I guess a terminal emulator as well. That's the least we have to do. But yeah, that's gonna be about it. So normally last time I was installing OpenBox, I had to do the desktop environment, a terminal emulator, some file manager, possibly a browser, and all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna pause it here, so I'll get back. Alrighty, so i3 was successfully installed. Let's just check if it is listed as a window manager or not. So the command is sudo update alternatives config x session manager. I see. Huh. See what else was going on here. How about install xorg? Alright, I'll wait for this one to get installed. I'll be back to you guys. Peace. Alright, so that was done. I guess let's try putting it up. Wait one sec, let's just sudo apt install xfc for terminal. So this way we have a terminal in case we actually get to boot up into i3. Here we go, should be a pretty light one. Alright, so with i3 installed and everything, let's just set up so I can actually VNC into my machine. Sudo rest-like config. So interface, I'm guessing VNC. Yes, so it's going to install a VNC server right now. Alright, we're here and VNC is enabled. After it's finished, let's see if I can VNC into it. Raspberry Pi.local. Yes, that's working. So here's what I did. So all I have to do is click, go into here and go into the terminal and say i3. So that's what I got. So enter. So which key should I get for the default modifier? I guess Win is a good one. Windows is a good one. Oh, that's pretty quick. I wonder if I can open the terminal. Let me try this one out. Let me Google that. Yeah, I was watching this guy's video. It's great. Anyway, i3 shortcut. Yeah, one thing about i3 is that if you guys ever use like Vim or Emacs, which I haven't, which I'm trying to get into, is there's a lot of shortcuts into getting onto apps and all that. Okay, there's not a whole lot going on here. I'm curious how well this is going though. Okay, it's taking 76 megabytes. A little more than OpenBox. OpenBox on normal takes about 20-50 megabytes, I think, but it's not too big of a deal. Right, let's see. Window and enter. Oh, nice. That is our environment. Nice. You can see that? So I can create another and another. So this is what it means to be auto tiling. It will automatically split the screen properly for you. It's like Tmax in a way. So I have HTile on one side, NeoFlash on another. Huh. Well, I should get NeoFlash in a way. Go for it. It's a pretty light thing anyway. Here I can, I don't know, make a new program like hello.py, print hello i3. I know, and you can run it. Also on side of programming, I'm trying out, I guess, I'm trying to learn Rust because in the Linux community there's a new thing with Rust where everything is getting rewritten in Rust. Look at that, it's running. Well, here, I don't know, could run something else. another H top maybe. Yeah, it's going super well. Look at that, it's going 131 megabytes right now, which is great. I can resize it. Takes a little bit of time on that. Yeah, this is great. I can, like, if you guys are interested in me customizing it even further down, let me know, because if I was to do it, I'll be like installing more NNN, which is a terminal based file manager, or Dolphin, which is a file manager, and also what else, Nitrogen, which is an app to, I guess, help you change your how to say, your wallpaper, which is great. So now I can have clear, new fetch. See if we maximize that. Clear, new fetch. You see here, right? Window Manager is running i3. Great job. Yeah, that is as much as I can talk about it. Of course, you can. I normally like to change a little bit of setting, how the color looks like, how the tiles look like for these window managers, because they can look kind of too retro for me. But yes, this is as much as I can do. This is my video on installing i3 on the Raspberry Pi. So if you guys have any lower end Raspberry Pis that you want to have some development on it, just using the terminal, or just want to experiment around, you know, because you're bored of the normal XFCE desktop environment you're given, and you want more than just the terminal itself, this is it. Alright, let me shut off the machine. Alright, this is my video for today. Hope you guys like it. Bye.